What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, you can tell by the title and thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the best Target promo codes in 2024. These Target codes and coupon codes are limited and they're super desirable. I'm going to show you how to get $100 off your next order on the Target website. And it's ever so easy, guys. I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial how to do it. So as you can see, you need to use your mobile phone. This is crucial that you have a mobile with an internet connection. Now open up the internet and go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So if you need to, you can pause the video. This is the website you need to go to, Top Dog Codes. Now this is a coupon code website. They specialize in saving you money across tons of different websites and things. As you can see, they've got hundreds of different pages. So you can go to the search bar, type in Target, and it should pop up. So Target coupons. Navigate your way to this page here, guys. And you can see you can get a couple of different codes. There's a $100 Target promo code, and there's also a 50% off your next order code. Now, as you can see, these coupons are limited in number, so it's very important that you do follow the instructions on the next screen to unlock your code. So I've chose the $100 promo code, and you can see you need to unlock your exclusive promo code. Like I said, these are super valuable codes and they are limited. So there is a process to unlock your code, which does take about 5 minutes. So tap this button here. Now, I'm not going to do it. I've already done this and I want to save these codes for you guys. But it's super easy. You're going to see a new screen once that reaches the end. And it's going to tell you how to unlock your Target promo code. You need to complete a couple of free tasks. These tasks range from downloading and playing free games to answering questions in questionnaires. Super easy. Once you've done that, guys, whatever code you choose will be fully revealed. And you can go ahead and enter it into the basket or at checkout on the Target website. So go to topdogcodes.com. Any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. That is by far the easiest and best method to get Target promo codes in 2024. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace out.